English Malay Power Mini. Master, have, with.
Ana.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your daily dose of language superpowers. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll conquer the English verb, have, in Malay.
Ana.
And friends like.
Saya ada. Awak ada. Kamu ada. Dia ada.
Dia mempunyai.
Kami ada.
And.
Mereka ada.
Ready? Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form of have with confidence. Have.
Ana.
I have.
Saya ada.
You have, singular, casual.
Awak ada.
You have, you all, plural.
Kamu ada.
He has.
Dia ada.
She has.
Dia ada.
It has.
Dia mempunyai.
We have.
Kami ada.
They have.
Mereka ada.
Forms fast track. Repeat after me, short, punchy, and smile level easy. Have.
Ana.
I have a plan. I have.
Saya ada.
Example. I have a plan. Quote.
Saya ada.
Rank and gone. You have time, singular, you have.
Awak ada.
Do you have time? Quote.
Awak ada.
Masa? You have tickets, plural you have.
Kamu ada.
You have 3 tickets. Quote.
Kamu ada.
Tiga ticket. He has a book, he has.
Dia ada.
Quote.
Dia ada.
Buku. She has an idea, she has.
Dia ada.
Quote.
Dia ada.
Idea. It has a new feature, it has.
Dia mempunyai.
Quote.
Dia mempunyai.
Siri Baharu. We have water, we have.
Kami ada.
Quote.
Kami ada.
Air. They have 2 cars, they have.
Mereka ada.
Quote.
Mereka ada.
Dua Karita. Mini dialogues. Listen, then echo the Malay line out loud. You've got this. A. Do you have a pen? B. Yes, I have one. A. Do you have a pen? B. Ya.
Saya ada.
Satu. A. You have the keys, right? Quote.
Awak ada.
Kuncha, Khan? Guide. You all have tickets? Quote.
Kamu ada.
Ticket? Team. Yes.
Kami ada.
Exclamation mark quote. Whisper. He has the map. Quote.
Dia ada.
Pita. Update. She has the files. Quote.
Dia ada.
Fail. Review. It has 2 wheels. Quote.
Dia mempunyai.
Dua roda. Report. They have a new idea. Quote.
Mereka ada.
Idea Baharu. Rhythm drill. Clap and say. Clap on each bold word, then speak the Malay. Add a grin for extra fluency. I have.
Saya ada.
You have, sing.
Awak ada.
You have, plural.
Kamu ada.
He has.
Dia ada.
She has.
Dia ada.
It has.
Dia mempunyai.
We have.
Kami ada.
They have.
Mereka ada.
Base word, have.
Ada.
Culture tip. Sounding natural. Here's how locals keep it simple and clear. In Malay,
Ada.
covers both have and there is, are. For everyday possession, you'll hear
Saya ada. Awak ada. Kamu ada. Dia ada. Kami ada. Mereka ada.
for it has, formal speech often uses,
Dia mempunyai.
but casual speech can use.
Ia ada.
To negate, say,
Tidak ada.
or the short form.
Tiada.
Colloquial.
Tak ada.
Example, we don't have time. Quote,
Kami tidak ada.
Masa. Quick quiz. Answer fast, say it before you hear it. Ch.1. Translate, I have time. Quote,
Saya ada.
Masa. Ch.2. Translate, you have, singular, a message. Quote,
Awak ada.
message. Ch.3. Translate, you have, plural, 3 tickets. Quote,
Kamu ada.
Tiga ticket. Ch.4. Translate, he has the keys. Quote,
Dia ada.
Kuncha. Ch.5. Translate, she has an idea. Quote,
Dia ada.
idea. Ch.6. Translate, it has a new feature. Quote,
Dia mempunyai.
Siri Baharu. Ch.7. Translate, we have water. Quote,
Kami ada.
air. Ch.8. Translate, they have a plan. Quote,
Mereka ada.
Rankingan. Challenge, speed role play. Pretend you're at a ticket counter. Answer confidently. Agent, do you have your passport? You, singular, yes, I have it. Ya.
Saya ada.
Quote. Agent, does he have the receipt? You, yes, he has it. Ya.
Dia ada.
Quote. Agent, do you all have the tickets? Group reply, yes, we have them. Ya.
Kami ada.
Quote. Agent, do they have the forms? You, yes, they have them. Ya.
Mereka ada.
Quote. Tech check, does it have 2 wheels? You, yes, it has 2 wheels. Ya.
Dia mempunyai.
Dua roda. Laugh break. Tiny joke to lock in memory. When someone asks, do you have it? You can channel your inner magician and say,
Ana.
it just appeared in my pocket. Wrap up and next steps. You did great, high five. Today you mastered have.
Ana. Saya ada. Awak ada. Kamu ada. Dia ada.
Dia mempunyai.
Kami ada. Mereka ada.
Keep practicing with mini dialogues and quick drills. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Come say hi at www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and videos. See you next time.